What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and review at the Hux World, and today we're bringing you the biggest mega giveaway ever. Yes, we got watch faces to give away. Tons of them, right? Now, this is going to be the biggest in the history of YouTube. I think it is, right? But if not, listen, it's huge. We got like 44 watch faces to give away. We got 30 for the US that we already got a list of so far as names are concerned. Now for Canada, we only have a few people that we were able to catch up with. We are going to look for more, but we got like 24 of those to give up. Now, we can't give them up at a certain length of time. We're going to have to divvy them up because there's a time limit on this one, okay? All right, my US connection, we got 14 more to give away. If we don't get anybody to accept these watch faces, we will be divvying them up amongst the subscribers and some watchers as well. Cool. Now, we're not going to call out all the names. There were too many to call out. Thank PW in the door because these watch faces are coming from him. They are his donations to us, and I appreciate that. So, PW, thank you for all that you do for the channel. I appreciate it. Trust me, my subscribers appreciate it too. Okay, with that being said, now here are the watch faces that we have available. They're from PW70 all the way up to PW78. Now, we're not taking no special requests on what watch face you want. That's going to take too long. We're just going to divvy them up. Just go down the line of names, watch faces. We're going to match you up. We're going to send you one. So hopefully you're grateful for that. Other than that, listen, let's take a look at some of the watch faces and just kind of refresh your mind of what they look like. Okay, we got PW70, right? You got PW71, what that looks like. We got PW72, PW73, PW74, PW75, PW76, and PW77. All right, you all. Hopefully you like these watch faces and you're going to accept them. Now, for my subscribers, for those of you all who I have a list of already in my email, I'm going to start sending these out right away. And the reason I won't send them today, I still got a couple of videos to shoot for tomorrow, and I'm getting ready to have a daughter's date with my daughters. So we're going out to the movies. We're going to see Jurassic World, and we're going to go have dinner. So other than that, hopefully that's cool with you guys. Listen, thanks for everything that you do. I'm glad that the channel is able to give back what has been so freely given to it. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. So hopefully you're seeing your name going across the screen, and congratulations. Congratulations to all the winners. And that's going to be it. That's going to be it. I enjoyed doing this video and this giveaway, and I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And although this is a giveaway, you still can hit the like button on the way out. Let's see if we can get, I don't know, maybe 100 likes. All right, with that being said, that's going to be it. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.